Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about vertigo and how chiropractic can actually help you to alleviate vertigo. So when we do an exam, we get all of our information so we can determine what the cause of your vertigo is, and then we design a plan to help to alleviate it. And this is going to include, if we do find that you have vertebral subluxations, which are misalignments of the vertebrae causing nerve interference. If we find subluxations, then we have a program where we're going to use gentle and specific chiropractic adjustments to correct those subluxations. Now, as long as the brain has an accurate perception of where the body is in space, then it's going to be able to run the body effectively, including helping it to hold its balance. But if there's anything that's disturbing that flow of information between the brain and the body, that's when we're going to be affecting balance. So we want to correct those subluxations so the brain has a clearer neural self-image and a more accurate sense of proprioception, which is knowing where the body is in space. And once that happens, then the brain starts to run the body more effectively and we can see balance restored. Now, there's another piece that we work with, which is looking at brain balance. So going upstream from the spine and looking at the two sides of the brain. And sometimes the two sides of the brain can get out of sync so that one side of the brain is running one side of the body differently than the other side. And that can lead to balance issues as well. So we determine what that imbalance is, and then we'll give you some exercises to do so that you can get the brain back into balance. Now, the upper cervical part of the spine is also a very important area when it comes to balance issues like vertigo. That is where the vestibular apparatus is located in the brainstem, and the upper cervical subluxations or nerve interference can really impact balance in a big way. And so making sure that that is as clear as possible is where we're going to get our best results with folks. So I hope that helps you understand how chiropractic can actually help you to resolve issues with vertigo. And if you found that this was useful, please share it with friends and family if they are struggling as well.